Meet Bob. Bob has a bicycle shop, and he adores his work. He loves nothing better than to talk about bicycles all day long. But Bob wants more. Even though his shop is doing well in the local community, he would like to expand to the rest of the country and the universe. That's why Bob created an online business. It's not doing so well, however. Luckily, at Remove the Background, we know exactly what Bob needs. But before that, we'd also like to introduce you to Felicia. Felicia started an online store to sell her beautiful designer clothes. Each season, she receives a new collection, which means editing and updating hundreds of new images to her site. But with business booming, Felicia is having trouble keeping up with her website, her clients, and the latest trends. Then it hit her. She could use some help with her dream. Luckily for Bob and Felicia, we have the answer. Oh? Hi. Attention, please. At Remove the Background, we can process any image you want for your website. We love to crop, clip, adjust, resize images, and, of course, remove the background. Best of all, we'll do these jobs for you at a very low cost. So why don't you try our easy-to-use interface where you can choose the size, border, and background color of your finished images, all with an instant price quote. After your order, keep an eye on how things are progressing in real time as our staff works away. With our help, Bob now has a neat and professional-looking website, and his conversion rate is sky high. Bob is now selling bikes at a much larger scale. Enjoy! Thanks to Remove the Background, Felicia can relax and concentrate on spotting the latest fashions. Discover what we can do for you at removethebackground.com.